If you find any parts missing or damaged during assembly, please contact our team. This section contains some important notes. We recommend giving it a quick read before you begin assembly. The abrasive paper is mainly used to polish any burrs on the board. The lubricating wax stick is used to lubricate all the marked areas in the instructions. Last check before installation. Test the music movement. Tighten the metal cube. Insert and turn the winding key. One check for obstructions around the black part. To make sure it isn't touching the white cylinder above, a small gap is needed. Add screws to the 3 points shown in the diagram. Tighten the screws. After installing the music movement, test it. Check the pattern orientation. Check the pattern orientation. Do not discard the removed parts at will before the installation is completed. Applying wax to the gears reduces friction. Forcefully install the gear in place. Test whether the gears can rotate. Apply wax to the parts. Insert a P8 into the corresponding position and attach the P9 to the shaft. Install the gears at the corresponding positions. Install the P9 shaft and tighten it. Pay attention to the gear meshing here. Test whether the gears can rotate. Install the parts at the corresponding positions. Polishing wax. A8 is thicker than D9. Make sure the layering of the arms matches what you see here. Remove AT9 spares and install them in the order shown in the diagram. Install according to the indicated positions, for E9 South are installed on each side. During this step, align the 4 marked points horizontally, and ensure the gear's long shaft aligns with the side-fixed shaft as shown. Install at the indicated position. After After installation, these 4 points must always be aligned in a straight line to the position indicated in the diagram. Test whether the gears can rotate. Install the parts at the positions shown in the diagram and add P9. The large gear is installed on the thicker end of the white shaft. Ensure all parts are installed according to the diagram. No loosening is allowed. Apply wax to all the gears. Align and install the gears with each other. Test whether the gears can rotate. Check the meshing of multiple gears. Install it first in the area marked with a circle, then install the second one into the corresponding hole position. Check for any lag or glitches. Leave some space during installation. Install the P9. When installing the cello bow, Leave a 1 to 2 mm gap to prevent it from jamming. Install at the correct position. This is incorrect. Please reinstall it. Smooth operation. The music movement may lack sufficient power. Apply 1 to 2 additional turns to the winding key. It may be due to excessive friction. You can use the wax stick to lubricate the gears again, then gently turn the gear in the diagram counterclockwise to assist rotation. During installation, these 4 marked points must be aligned horizontally. Check the gear here. If it's loose or out of place, adjust it immediately. Check P8 and P9 for looseness, as this may cause gear misalignment and jamming. Secure any loose P9. Check whether these gears are properly engaged. If any misalignment or jamming is detected, perform manual adjustment to correct the gear positioning.